So how can you turn down the bass on an iPhone? Let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you are listening to your music regularly, right, if there's something that you want to change, right, you can open up your settings app and then go to the apps section at the bottom of the page completely, right, where every single application has its own dedicated menu page for settings. And in here, you can go to the music section right there. And part of the music, we also have the EQ, which stands for equalizer. And in there, you can see you can, for example, turn it off completely, or you can decide that you want to boost the bass, right? So you have the increase bass. If you have that enabled, you can, for example, go back to the off mode, so you reduce bass that way. Or you have a dedicated reduce bass section there, so you can literally enable it like this, and that way you can make sure that the music will behave a little bit differently. So you're like turning down the bass for your music that you are listening to, right? If you are listening to like different streaming services like Spotify, for example, it is possible that it is also going to be there as well. Just dig through these settings a little bit to find if it's there as well. But the same principle, like you want to go to the equalizer and then change it up that way. On the other hand, there are also some settings, right? So you can find, like third-party apps as well, which you can find on the App Store, which are for equalizer. So if you have like your own MP3 files on your iPhone, perhaps you have it somewhere in your, something that you have created yourself through GarageBand or something, right? You can adjust the bass for those songs as well through applications like this, right? So you can download it from the App Store and reduce the bass that way. But that is going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanation like videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So subscribe, and I'm going to talk to you in the upcoming videos too.